Hi everyone, this is a 2006 Subaru Impreza Turbo. This car won't start at all. It's cranking, but I won't start. Uh, I checked the timing belt to see if the timing is okay. I checked the fuel pressure to see if the fuel pressure is bad. Fuel pump, check it out. Fuel pressure is like 40 psi. I check everything on this car. I check the ignition coils. I put all the ignition coils out to see what's wrong. The car is cranking but won't start. Is making noise. I remove all the computer to see if the computer was the problem, because sometimes I was checking the ignition coils, and basically all the ignition coils has power, ground in the middle, and this is the signal that's come from the computer. Everything was okay except for this cable over here. This is the ignition coil, the rear ignition coil on your left hand. This wire over here, that is going to the computer. This wire was short to power. That was the problem. And you know what was the problem? It was in this connection over here. This connection, if you see, is corrosion, and one pin is missing, and it was touching with this yellow one. That's why this cable got short to power, and this is a serial connector. That's why all the ignition coil was not spark. That's why the car was cranking, but the car won't start, because all this got power, short to power, and give you power to all the ignition coils. So that was the problem right here. That's the battery. This is the battery location. So it was under the battery. Maybe something is going to the disconnection, and that was the problem. It gave me a lot of hard time. Hopefully guys, you guys quickly easy and make it good money. Alright guys, thanks.